You know what's scary? Two men, same age, same life, but one moves like he's 35. The other looks fragile just standing up. And it's not genetics or luck. Most guys fall apart because they stop doing a few simple movements that keep the body working. Here's the thing. The exercises that actually keep you strong after 50. They're so simple, most people ignore them. Navy SEALs figured this out. They train movements that transfer to real life. Carrying, balancing, bracing, reaching. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 simple exercises that keep guys moving like they're in their prime. And trust me, the first one might change how you think about strength forever. Exercise 1. Loaded carries. This might be the most important exercise for men over 50, and almost nobody does it. Why? No mirrors, no fancy machines. Just you, carrying weight. Life is basically one long loaded carry of groceries, suitcases, buckets, grandkids. If your body can't handle it upright, that's when things start breaking down. Most guys train muscles. Loaded carries train your whole system. Grip, core, shoulders, hips, posture, all at once. Soldiers and strongmen have used them forever because they build strength that actually transfers to real life. Studies show they improve balance, walking mechanics, and core stiffness. Done correctly, your body braces automatically with no crunching, no twisting. That's the kind of strength that prevents back injuries. How to do it? Grab 2 dumbbells or kettlebells for a farmer carry, or 1 for a suitcase carry. Stand tall, chest up, ribs down. Squeeze the handles, walk slow and controlled, and fight any lean. Start 20 to 30 seconds. Rest 3 to 4 rounds. Go lighter than you think at first. Once you can walk tall without your shoulders creeping or grip failing, go heavier. Bonus: loaded carries don't just make you stronger, they make you more confident in your movement. You stand taller, walk steadier, and move with control. Exercise 2. Bear crawl. This exercise makes a lot of grown men pause and think, why does this feel so hard? That reaction tells you everything. As we age, our bodies stop working as one unit shoulders do one thing, hips another, and the core just goes along for the ride. The bear crawl fixes that, not by tiring you out, but by forcing your body to reconnect. It's about control, teaching your nervous system to fire shoulders, core, and hips in the right order. Supporting your weight on hands and feet, knees just off the ground, wakes up every stabilizer. Shoulders learn to handle load, spine stays neutral, and hips and shoulders relearn teamwork, preventing that rounded posture that makes guys look 70 at 55. How to do it? Get on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Spread your fingers and grip the floor. Lift knees just an inch off the ground. Back flat, core tight, neck neutral. Hold 15 to 20 seconds if needed. Move with small, controlled steps. Right hand plus left foot, then left hand plus right foot. Think 6-inch steps, not lunges. Start with 10 steps forward. Rest and repeat 3 sets. Stay consistent, and your shoulders stop feeling fragile. Your core fires automatically, and your body moves as a connected system. Perfect prep for the next exercise, challenging balance on one leg. Exercise 3, single leg Romanian deadlift. This exercise humbles a lot of guys, not because it's heavy, but because it exposes what we lose first with age: balance. Once balance goes, confidence drops, movement slows, and falls become a real risk. The single leg Romanian deadlift fixes that while strengthening the muscles that keep you standing tall: glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and all the small stabilizers in your ankles, knees, hips, and core. Most think it's just a hamstring stretch. It's not. This is a stability drill that also builds strength. Every stabilizer fires to keep you upright. Bonus: it helps correct anterior pelvic tilt, easing stress on your lower back and making standing and walking easier. How to do it? Stand on your right leg, knee slightly bent. The left leg reaches back for balance. Hinge at the hips, not the waist pushing your hips back like closing a car door with your butt. Torso forward, back leg back, arms straight. Stop when you feel tension in the hamstring. usually when your torso is nearly parallel to the floor. Drive through your heel to stand up. Keep your back flat. If it rounds, you've gone too far. Start 3 sets of 8 reps per leg. If balance is tricky, lightly touch a wall or chair smart, not cheating. Once you can do 12 clean reps per side, you're building real stability. Strong balance and a strong backside set your shoulders up to move overhead without pain. Exercise 4. Pike push-up. If your shoulders ache every time you reach overhead, don't blame age, blame neglect. Decades without pressing overhead shuts down your shoulder stabilizers, your rotator cuff weakens, and suddenly grabbing something high feels risky. Enter the Pike push-up. Simple, but it hits muscles most guys haven't used in years. Shoulders, traps, serratus anterior, all working to stabilize your shoulder blades and prevent impingement. This isn't just a push-up at an angle. It's about creating a straight line from hips through shoulders to head. Think mini handstand push-ups, safe, controlled, and perfect for older shoulders. How to do it? Start in downward dog hips high, forming an inverted V. Hands shoulder width apart, fingers spread, legs straight or slightly bent. Bend elbows, lowering the top of your head toward the floor, elbows at 45 degrees. Press back up, keeping hips high. Can't do the full version yet? Drop to your knees, but keep the pike-shaped shoulders still get the benefit. Start 3 sets of 5 reps. Once you can do 10 clean reps, elevate your feet on a box to increase the challenge, working up to 3 sets of 8. This exercise builds strength and stability in one move, without heavy weights. Once your shoulders are strong and stable, your spine and core are ready for the final exercise, the one that protects your back every day. Exercise 5. Hollow body hold. Here's the truth about abs. Your six-pack doesn't protect your spine. All those crunches and sit-ups, they look flashy, but they don't prepare you for real-life movement. Real core strength is about resisting movement, keeping your spine safe when you lift, twist, or even just stand. That's where the hollow body hold comes in. It trains your deep core stabilizers, the muscles that silently protect your back every day. Gymnasts do this first, and that's why their backs stay bulletproof. How to do it? Lie on your back, arms at your sides, legs straight. Press your lower back flat into the floor. Lift shoulders and legs just a few inches. This is the hollow position. If your back arches, bend your knees or lift your legs higher. Start simple, knees bent, feet hovering, arms by your sides. Hold 15 seconds, 3 sets. Progress. Straighten legs at a 45-degree angle. Hold 20 seconds. Full hollow hold. Arms overhead, legs closer to the ground. Hold 30 seconds, 3 sets. The key isn't difficulty, it's perfect form. Spine glued to the floor. This exercise ties everything together. Grip and posture from carries, shoulder stability from pike push-ups, balance and posterior chain from single leg work, full body coordination from bear crawls. Do this consistently, and your core doesn't just look strong, it protects you. Every lift, step, and movement becomes safer. Your back will thank you. Most people miss this. Exercises in isolation only get you so far. The real magic happens when your body learns to move as a system. Here's the flow. Loaded carries. Brace, grip, and maintain posture under real-world load. Bear crawl. Reconnect shoulders, core, and hips so your nervous system fires correctly. Single leg Romanian deadlift. Build balance and stabilize your lower body. Pike push-up. Restore overhead strength and shoulder stability safely. Hollow body hold. Lock in your core, protect your spine, and integrate all your strength. See the pattern? Carry to control, to balance, to overhead, to brace. Nothing flashy, nothing random. This is how your body is meant to move. Integrated, stable, resilient, and ready for life. Not just the gym. Combine these 5 consistently with proper form, and your body will move like it did 20 years ago. Confident, coordinated, and strong. That's the foundation before we talk about keeping it consistent for life. So there you have it. 5 simple exercises that actually rebuild your body from the ground up. Grip, coordination, balance, overhead strength, and a bulletproof core. Do them consistently and you'll move, stand, and feel better than you have in years. Now the question is, are you going to start today or let another year go by? Pick one. Begin. Your future self will thank you. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.